Hi friends, everyone wants to know about the first person. Nobody remembers second person. Now let us all get some information about first person in all categories. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army, K.M. Karyappa. Who received the first Jnana Peetha Award, G. Shankar Kurup. Who was the first Air Chief Marshal, Subrato Mukherjee. Who was the first Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Speaker of Loksabha, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Who received the first Paramveera Chakra Award, Major Somnath Sharma. Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Justice Hirala J. Kania. First Indian woman Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi. First Indian woman Cabinet Minister Rajkumari Amrut Kaur. First Indian woman Judge of Supreme Court Fatima Bibi. First woman Chief Minister Sucheta Kriplani. She is from Uttar Pradesh. She became the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. First Indian woman President Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. First woman Speaker of Loksabha Meera Kumar. First Indian woman astronaut Kalpana Chawla. First Indian woman to win a medal in Olympics, Karnam Malleshwari. She won the medal for weightlifting. First Indian woman train driver, Surekha Yadav. First Indian woman to receive Jnanapeetha Award, Ashapurna Devi. She received it in the year of 1979. First Indian woman to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Srimati Indira Gandhi. First person to climb the Mount Everest. Two persons climbed. They are Tenzing Norgay, Edmund Hillary. First Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. First Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest twice. She climbed the Mount Everest 2 times. Santosh Yadav. First Indian as well as Asian to win the Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian to become pilot, J.R.D. Tata. First cricketer to score 200 runs in ODI, Sachin Tendulkar. First female cricketer to score 200 runs in ODI, Belinda Clark. She is from Australia. First Indian woman teacher, Savitribai Phule. First Indian female physician, Dr. Anandibai Gopal Joshi. First Indian woman IPS officer, Kiran Bedi. First Miss Universe, Sushmita Sen. First Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award. Three people got this award. They are all are Indians. Dr. Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman, C. Rajagopalachari. First man to climb Mount Everest twice, Nawang Gumbu. First Indian man in space, Rakesh Sharma. First foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First country to print book, China. First president of USA, George Washington. First person to land on the moon, Neil Armstrong. First man to fly in space, Yuri Gagarin. Friends, I hope this all information is useful for you. Thank you.